Effective Friday, the government of Saskatchewan says anyone who tests positive for COVID-19 only has to self-isolate for 5 days, regardless of vaccination status. It's a significant change for those who are not vaccinated, who up until this announcement were required to isolate for 10 days with a positive result.
To adapt our policies and our self-isolation right now to be able to make sure that we're dealing with this wave as the best we possibly can. Now, reducing it from 10 down to 5 does not mean that COVID has gone away. It has not gone away, and I want to be very clear about that. But how we are dealing with it is continuously evolving.
Also new as of tomorrow, close contacts will not have to self-isolate at all, whether they're vaccinated or not.
Ultimately, so many of us on any given time are notified as a contact that it's really not feasible for us to continue to isolate every time we are in close contact.
The government also says parents and caregivers no longer have to report their children's positive cases to schools for contact tracing purposes. The official opposition is disappointed.
Are seeing a government that has only made two kinds of actions during this Omicron wave. One is the type of action that increases the transmission of the virus. Scott Moe and his choices are actively working to spread Omicron.
The government says residents are responsible for their own personal safety and risk assessments, and that getting vaccinated, including a third booster dose, will be key to managing the pandemic going forward. Public health orders for mandatory indoor masking, along with proof of vaccination and negative test requirements, are still in place until at least the end of February. But as the government notes, the situation is always evolving. Yasmin Ranea, CBC News, Saskatoon.